Jai Hind candidates, today we have Abhishek Mishra with us. Rather, I will call him Gentleman Cadet Abhishek Mishra because he has just got recommended from a Bangalore board and soon will be wearing uniform after completing his training period. Okay. So he has been my student, and today I thought that instead of listening to various motivational speeches given by various big personalities, it is better to have an online practical view of a candidate who has just got recommended. Okay, so he will be a better person to make you feel comfortable and to make you prepare and motivate yourself for getting recommended in your SSBs, which are due to come now. Okay, so we have Abhishek Mishra. He is a son of retired Subedar Major S.N. Mishra, and we will be talking to him, asking him for a few questions, learning from his experience, and preparing you guys best for your forthcoming SSBs. Okay, so welcome, Abhishek.
Thank you, sir.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, sir.
Right. Okay, so tell me something about your family background, Abhishek.
My father is in ATF, Enforcement Task Force. He's a ex-serviceman, and he was in Nine Guards, Brigade of Guards. So he retired like 2 years back, and due to him, I got to roam about every place in this part of the country. And my mother is a housewife. We have a decent background.
Okay, so how many brothers and sisters do you have, and what are
Like
they doing?
one is preparing for NDA, like he's in 12th, and he'll prepare, like he'll also go for NDA. And there are two more sisters.
So, who inspired you to join armed forces? I'm sure it must be your father.
Yeah, he was my father, but actually at that time while I was in Amritsar, so I was like in first, second, third class. So there used to be there used to be the shelling with Pakistan. There used to be tensions, constant tension. Before that,
Hmm.
after that parliamentary attack, so they used to black out and all,
Okay.
no? So I used to think like, what is
Okay.
this? I thought of
Okay.
I'll
Very
join
nice.
Indian Army, but after that I tried for many attempts. Like there were 8 attempts. I was conference route
Hmm.
from eight SSPs, but this time
Okay.
I got in due to your guidance. Like since
Thank you
last
so
one
much.
year, you have been guiding me.
Okay. So, as you said that you have been inspired from your class two as a young kid when you were there in Amritsar.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
and you have appeared for
yes,
various
sir.
SSBs. So, what went wrong in previous SSBs as per your analysis?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I was like basically I was not focused. I was doing too many things. Like as I was in Institute of Law, so I was participating in various activities as well. But and I was trying for corporate also. Like I had some certain family responsibilities to fulfill, and so I wanted not to let them down. I had some certain expectation from my family, so they were wearing me out, and there are like to getting recommended and not getting recommended, there is a very thin line. There is a very thin line difference, and and SSB is a subset of life, as you know. So I improve my life also, like my daily routine, and no, they were not going that well. So as you told me, like you have to improve upon whatever you do. Like from last one year, I improve upon my personality, and that works wondered for me. And this time, I worked upon this my personality in this lockdown itself, and getting
Mhm.
self awareness is the key to success, I think.
So tell me, Abhishek, how was this attempt different from your previous attempt? Different did you do this time that made you successful?
So this time around, I was able to know myself better during this lockdown. I self introspected, and uh, basically in SSB, as you told me earlier, during my during my visit to your coaching, so you told me like you have to be synchronized. Like whatever you
Hmm.
told, tell the like you are telling to the interviewing officer, you have to project that as well in your psychology test. So I try to project, like I try to synchronize my personality and know what I'm doing in my psychology test. Like I deliberately did something like made stories on my life based on my life experiences. Like earlier I used to make stories just like that. Like no, they
Mm-hmm.
weren't not related to my life. They were like,
Mm-hmm.
but I used my life experiences this time around. So that was the difference. Yes, sir.
Okay, so once you got recommended, okay, what was the
Yes, sir.
feeling,
Yes, sir.
first feeling, okay, of that success when you tasted that success came into you?
Actually, I wasn't that much excited, as one may think. But it was just that calmness ki, like I have done something. But it would have been better if I would have met you earlier and guided by someone, and it would have been better कि NDA में निकल जाता मेरा. लेकिन it's never too late.
Okay.
Never too late, I think.
Yes.
As I've been through a lot,
So
during this.
after you
So
got
yes,
recommended, how was the experience of your medical board?
sir. Actually, yeah, it was quite. I think mine was smooth. Like I was cleared for all the things, but my fellow mates, there was quite a comedy, going on because of certain in that trick.
Mm.
So he'll recheck everything. He'll watch you like if someone has cleared you also, he'll recheck that. Like there was one guy
Mm.
whose weight was little like more than what was required, but doctor medical team has cleared him. Like earlier, doctor had cleared him, so he told him to get the weighing machine and get the weight rechecked. So that was like, but everything was fine, and we
Okay.
were made
So
to wear those
what
PPE kits.
tips? Okay.
We were made to
So
wear
what tips
those
would you like to
extra.
give to
Yes,
the?
sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, continue, continue, continue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll no, to be on the point. I'll like to give one tip, like to improve up. And SSB is just a subset of life. Whatever you are doing in your life, you have to continue like improving upon yourself, and like with your guidance, someone like who tells you like what you need to project, what you don't need to project. So you have to be cautious of that, and but take everyone's advice like with a pinch of salt, because everyone can't know you like from 14 days, 15 days. like uh, like sir, you guided me a lot, but no, it's upon the student, it's upon the cadet who has to improve, like look for those things which you have told him, like to customize that experience into your life, so that you can improve upon yourself. And like people may think like after getting coaching they'll get recommended or not, but it's not that key. If you are not recommended for the first time, second time, third time, but you will get certain definitely get recommended in your last attempt, as it was mine. So don't give up, never give up. I'll say never give up, and persistence will pay off in the end. That's
Very nice.
that's my whole journey.
Very nice. So, congratulations, Abhishek. Congratulations once again on your getting recommended for armed forces. I'm sure you will. There's too much of life ahead, and you will become a successful army officer in the future. And you will take up the name, the legend of your father, okay, of your family to a greater height. Thank you so
Yes, sir.
much for being with us and guiding the youngsters, giving them motivational tips, okay, as to become successful in SSB.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
So what I can say, like you are enough for them, but it was just started. No, I wanted just to tell them like um, they should like have confidence in themselves and your guidance. it helped me a lot. I'll tell you honestly. And thank you so much for having me, sir. And it's been an honor with you. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you.
Thank you so much.